You like the green one?
See that before?
Yeah, he's pretty cool.
You have to look very close. Oh, give me a Teddy.
Can I touch one of those?
No, because they're behind the glass. Look straight ahead. You see the blue one? Yeah.
Maybe I can X down that.
You have to be a detective to find them. You have to look for the clues all over the place.
All over their home?
Yeah, this is their home here. You look all over their home to find them.
I found two. I found another one. I found that one. I found another one. Yes, honey, he's moving.
No spitting, Tim.